Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasni. Ka kinhun menteri ka Sorkar MDA kala priang ban penkala ya ka Meghalaya Building Bye-Laws ban pentrade ka online application ya thu menteri rangba ka jilla u konrad ki sangma. Menteri Rangba Habaya Crunch kilat pathai kubor ka kinhun Menteri Klapdiang ban penkela ya ka Meghalaya Building Bye-Laws da ka ba pentre kamno da ka rukam online ha ka jingyo jingbit ne approval ban shna yi. Ka rukam pentre kam online kan pensuk penstat bat pensyai ya baro ki jing penyai. Kan pelat na ki jing thut ki jing long bean bat kan Wanrah ru ka jing syai ha ka rukam eye clearance. Kani kasin jam kadai shibantaban penkela syakasin syarpat ba balashna lyngba ka digital platform bat kanyarap ru ban penklan ya ka jing sinrop jing kitnat Sorkar ha ka jing pet ngori ka jing shna ying hapo ka jilla. Lakmi lenti ba ka online system kan kentup ya ka rukam tab application online ban upload ya ki kot kisla. Kani ka an penkela ka long ka bakmi lenti ban tre kamno ha kini ki benai banwan. Hadin ka penmi hukum bat kot an kiba ban ai jing pen scam. Menteri Rangba uyathu gani ka an thamai kalong ban pensuk ikipat ba bakim dan kamshu banet syaka office muda ban pan jingbit henry apply online. Syuk gani ka an ka ithu baki kwah ban shna ying habut yaki kendon kembala bu kabadon kinong plan ne architect lada ki kwah.
Second amendment we have made now to the Meghalaya Building Bye-Laws of 2025. So basically, the amendments to the bylaws have been made where we have now again in the process of trying to streamline the entire ease of doing business. We are now number one, adopting the online building permission system. So with this, from August 11th, people applying for permission for buildings to be constructed, they can apply online. So they don't have to physically apply it. That's number one. Number two, we have also proposed to make it easy for people to get permissions. For example, for low risk buildings and mainly low risk buildings, which is residential, commercial and industrial, up to 2,500 square feet or a built up area of up to 3,000 square feet with only G+1 and a 7-meter maximum building height. The technical permissions and the technical approvals will not be required from MUDA anymore. So if you are a building of a low risk building, there will be empaneled architects who can empanel themselves onto the website. Once they empanel, as an individual who would like to construct a building and a house in the low risk building, residential, commercial, industrial area, as per specifications I have mentioned, they will simply have to self-attest and get it approved by these engineers and architects who are empaneled by the government. They'll submit it online. They can start their construction even without the permission being given. And in 30 days time, the permission will be granted to these individuals to start their construction. At the same time, larger buildings, which will be there, which is G+2 and up to a maximum built-up area of 750 square feet, we will have empaneled architects and a council of architects, architects and companies and engineering firms, which will be empaneled and registered by us, who will be then what we call third-party verification agencies, and they will be kind of engaged by the department. And these individuals who are applying for permission, they will simply take the help of these architects and engineers, and they'll be able to get the permissions so that they can start the construction of their building. So therefore, we are working in order to make it easy for now people to get building permissions. and these amendments were today cleared in the cabinet.